Actually, what I'll do is I'll bring the other pistol, so I'm out of ammo. I'll just switch to the other pistol. That's what I'll do.
Or we could just go through a pistol real quick.
Yeah, we can do that. But the problem is, it's gonna be like one of the chamber, except that's like 10 in the chamber when you're out. So you lose. So you gotta.
Sidearm when we lose?
This is a sidearm. What do you mean?
Like a knife?
You can try to come up there and pistol whip me.
Pistol whip? Alright. I mean, it's possible.
Well, yeah, by the time I have to like fucking cock the gun back,
exactly.
Give you plenty of time to get close.
Alright, guess that's the rule. You run out of ammo, pistol whip.
You have to get up there.
Yeah, exactly.
You have to Halo 1 pistol.
You have to do the whole animation and everything?
Yeah. It's a Halo CE melee where you're like...
Oh.
Well, alright, see.
Without doing that.
It's because I grabbed the mag release.
This is
Airsoft.
This is Airsoft. Shit, honestly, I'm having more fun doing this than actually playing Airsoft.
Dylan wishes he was here.
Dylan wishes he was here.
Chambered, it's on safety.
Dang, I got a green one?
Yeah, blue versus green.
Blue.
Yeah, I don't like blue.
Hell yeah.
Yours just should be chambered and safe too. You know, most Airsoft days, the breeze is negligible, but this breeze might be the difference between life and death.
I don't even know how it shoots. Does it?
You chamber it.
No, how does it shoot? Like, is it how far? Like 30
You'll
feet?
see. You'll see. Don't shoot the X. You're gonna waste a precious BB.
It's hard, right?
Yeah, it should be.
How far does it shoot?
Not far. We should honestly just like literally, like I'll go right there and you'll go right here. We'll play across this middle. We're gonna get to the point where we're both out of ammo. We're both just trying to melee each other. Fuck, this is gonna be stupid. It's actually pretty close. I think I hit you in the leg.
My leg!
What a leading shot.
Keep going!
Yeah, keep going. That's one hit. I was gonna try to shoot, but... See how unfair this is?
Why are you shooting?
I don't know, is it?
No.
All right, we'll pop out the mag and a BB might have jammed. How many you got? How many shots you got? Well, don't pull it out because you're gonna lose them.
4.
All right. I'm sure I don't have that many either. All right, that's fine, let's go. Oh, that was close.
It's actually not that inaccurate.
No, it's not terrible. I mean, these are like $20 Walmart guns, basically. Woo. 2 points. Oh, shit. Fucking...
Oh, kill him! Oh, kill him!
Shit. It's hard when you only got 1 shot. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. I'm weapon inspecting. Time out. I fucking threw the mag at you and I hit my knee on that and it tripped the shit out of me.
I won!
Fuck.
Yes!
Fucking damn it. That was so stupid.
That didn't happen.
Shit. That was insane. Ready?
Go back.
Okay. Yeah, you gonna try?
That's close.
Shit, no throwing it.
Huh?
No throwing it.
No.
It's not a throwing knife. Oh, I got you. Yes. I found a shell.
The fuck?
I found a shell. Sick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you get mine, I'll get yours. You want to do round 2?
Round 2.
Oh, fuck, okay. My shell. It's my good luck shell. Oh, my nose is full of crusty boobs. All right, gun up.
First shot, right here.
All right, you take one, then I'll take one. Safety on? Was the hammer up? The safety?
No, it wasn't on back.
My fucking cock. Well, now that I've been circumcised. Oh, that went so left. I was aimed right at your face and it went that way.
Yeah, mine went good.
Yeah. Well, shit. All right. I don't mean to keep hitting you in the knee. That's like 5 knee shots. Ooh, almost fucking fell. What are you doing? Yaddy. I got a stick on me. Shit. No. No. No.
He's still alive!
Oh, that's a tie. We hit each other.
Yep.
Look, you can't see.